Alternatively, you can take the stairs. The forecourt is now open. You can see the train station still on your right. Here to your right is where the lifts for the car park came down, or come up to level 1. You're going to need to walk through here to get to the JLLT. You can either take these lifts or keep walking. These are the staff lifts. And you can walk up either these stairs or probably walk through these stairs. Here, there's no swipe card access. Going up to level 2, which is where theatres and main radiology is. Level 3 is where outpatients is.
That's what dawned at me.
On your left is main pharmacy, I think. This is the entrance to the Martin Street car park. Pathology, outpatient collection for bloods, and Narrandjara. And we're going up to level 4. Level 4 is where medical workforce lives. It's also where the library lives. You have 24-hour swipe card access to the library. And you will be coming here to the John Lindell Lecture Theatre on day 1. 2 entrances. There's this entrance and the second entrance here.